right, everybody. How's it going? Welcome to this client interview. I'm here with Elizabeth. Elizabeth's a client of mine who, yeah, I've been working with for quite a bit, and it's been an absolute pleasure to work together. So when she joined, she was at a certain level of revenue, and using the program, I think we've like two and a half, three x the revenue. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, we're just interviewing Elizabeth today to find out what happened here. But yeah, Elizabeth, maybe you want to take a quick second to introduce yourself, who you are, what niche you're in, etc.
Yeah, great. I'm Elizabeth, and I'm the owner of Manoir, which is a French furniture brand. I decided I'm based in the U.S., and I decided to try to bring, updated French style furniture to the U.S. consumer market. And I launched the brand. We went live about a little over a year ago. We were doing okay for a couple of months, online only, selling French furniture. And then I met Lars and enrolled in his program, and it has really been transformative.
Amazing, great. So yeah, what we'll do here is so everyone's kind of aware of the structure is yeah, we'll have a look at where you were, where you're right now, and yeah, kind of where you want to go, what the future looks like. So yeah, before we go into any of that, what I would like to know is, yeah, why did you start this in the first place? And what were you doing before you started your furniture business?
Yeah. So I started Manoir after living in London, where I observed a lot of the really beautiful French crafted furniture that was being offered to the market, and I knew that we didn't have these kind of designs readily available in the U.S. And so I'm very passionate about French culture and French design, and I decided to try to bring that style to the U.S. market. So that was the design desire behind launching Manoir. Before I was running Manoir, I've done a lot of different things. I'm a business person. I have an MBA. I went to INSEAD in France to get my MBA. I've worked in operations management. I've worked also in financial on Wall Street. So I have a lot of background in business, but also have also done event design and have been very passionate about interiors for a long time. So this business really melded my sort of two sides, the business side and the design side, and it's been an exciting project. And yeah,
Amazing. Yeah, yeah, you told me you worked on Wall Street as well.
yeah,
Very, very hectic, very stressful, I would think.
definitely,
So yeah, and then you kind of got passionate about like the French designs when you were in Europe, and you were
yeah.
like, okay, it's not seen anywhere, and where I'm from, you just saw kind of this blue ocean, but yeah, at the same time, just from like a place of passion, I feel like it's coming as well because yeah, you just really love the designs yourself. I know your whole house is also furnished with like Manoir, not your whole house, but you definitely have quite some pieces there, right?
Pretty much my whole house. Yeah,
Oh, it is your whole house.
yeah.
Great.
Yeah, I love the designs. I love the way that they are um, traditional, and you can see the craftsmanship and the detail. But also, we use updated fabrics, and so we make it a little bit modern. And one of the tenements of Parisian design is to mix kind of modern, contemporary, and traditional. And I feel like we try to do that at Manoir too. We offer traditional silhouettes of a sofa, but more modern fabrics and kind of updated designs. So yeah, it's
Hmm.
really cool, and on a lot of a lot of American expats that I met in Europe. we would all remark that, we didn't have this kind of style in the US readily available to the market. So it's been really fun watching people's reaction to the brand. I get a lot of customers telling me that they're obsessed, and they are absolutely just passionate about what we're doing. So that's fun.
Yeah, yeah, definitely seen it as well. Yeah, we're just amazed that like they weren't able to find the piece anywhere like that, or maybe have to go to like Restoration Hardware or something. But yeah, that's
Yeah,
like a completely different story when it comes to their pricing. So yeah,
absolutely.
then like I think our like the Manoir pieces they just look even better than those in a lot of cases. And that's yeah, it's amazing what
Yeah, the
yeah.
quality of because of the artisans that we work with, the quality is outstanding. So it's an absolute value purchase. Even if it's in the higher end of furniture, it's you're going to be getting a beautiful piece with what you're spending. So it's great.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Yeah. Okay. And like in the first place, like what when we decided to, or when we started to kind of talk, what decided or what made you decide to book this call with us, and yeah, what made you decide to join the program in the first place?
Yeah, I mean, I think, running a furniture store, it's a unique business. There are a lot of logistics involved. There's a very specific marketing that's involved. You can get a lot of advice on how to run a business or how to launch a business. But what really is powerful is working with somebody who has experience in this industry and has been successful in this industry and knows the pain points and can address those. And that's why I took the call with you, Lars, because I know that you've had great experience in this industry, and I wanted to pick your brain and find out, what worked for you, what didn't work for you. And even though, this furniture that you would work with is a completely different style maybe than what I'm working with, it applies across the industry. The pain points are the same. And so for me, I decided to work with you to find out, um, really it's like having a partner in the business and having someone who has been through a lot of the same challenges and might have a shorthand solution for how you get to from A to B without some of the pain in between. So it's been very
Yeah.
valuable for that.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Yeah, 100%. So, and yeah, from the point that you joined and yeah, until this point right now, where yeah, we, like you said, like kind of transformed the business. I think we did, yeah, some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, what did you do? What happened in that time? If you could share that, I think that would be pretty useful for everyone to know what kind of the steps look like that you took.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've done, Lars is very structured in his approach. So he comes with a game plan, so that you don't get off topic and you don't start, randomly fixing things. It's sort of strategic. Like let's, focus first on, the website and looking at the points where you might not, be optimizing your funnel and, attacking that from a technical side, from a marketing side, all of those things. So we made vast improvements on the website. Um, Also, the messaging and the marketing plan and, what kind of advertising to do in the marketplace. Like Lars is particularly experienced in that, which for me has been really, really valuable because, I know my way a little bit around, Facebook and Instagram, Meta marketplaces and ads, but it's been really valuable to have kind of this veteran who he's like a ninja on the computer, like in terms of, being able to spot something that needs improving or can be optimized. And yeah, that's been incredibly valuable. So we've ramped up our marketing campaign. And yeah, I think the combination of that, taking it even another step further, we've also worked together on optimizing the whole operations side of things. So in the time that I've been with Lars, he has definitely been a support for me in looking for a new warehousing and shipping partner, having to switch, suppliers a few times, um, finding valuable people in the marketplace who have worked with his brands or other furniture brands that can, help execute some of the plans that we have. So yeah, it's been pretty transformative, I would say, from multiple different levels. From marketing, from operations, and from supply chain. It's been awesome.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you. We appreciate hearing that. So, yeah, what would you say is next for you? What's the goal in, let's say, the next 12 months?
Yeah, so in the next 12 months, I'd love to continue on the same trajectory that we've been on. We've seen some tremendous growth. And one thing that I think is great is that Lars is never satisfied with enough. Like he is always reaching for these like higher goals, which is a really important thing when you're in business to be able to have the vision to see beyond, the immediate future. And Lars definitely does that. And sometimes I have been skeptical and thought, oh, that goal's ridiculous. And then we meet it. So it just goes to show you that, when you have someone with vision who's helping you and believes in you and can help you facilitate achieving that, it's very, very powerful. So I want to continue doing more of that in the next 12 months.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, likewise. So definitely, that's the goal. So yeah, one question I would like to ask is if you were thinking about buying this program, but you were still on the fence, what would you have said to yourself in the past, knowing what you know today and having been through the program?
Oh, I would tell myself not to hesitate for a second. I mean, it's not
Mm.
even a question. It's the value that you get from this experience. And Lars is an awesome guy. He's dedicated. He works so hard. Um, he knows the business as well as I do at this point. It's amazing. And I never would have thought I could have such a strong partner. As I have in Lars, and so it's been invaluable. So I would tell myself, don't hesitate for a minute.
Okay, amazing. Well, thank you so much. That's yeah, very inspiring story. Really
Yeah,
appreciate you sharing that. Yeah, you're doing what many people dream of doing, to be honest. You're just setting up your own brand and really yeah, scaling it to really solid levels. Um, so yeah, is there anything you want to add to this, or was that it from your side?
I'll just add that yeah, I appreciate and value our partnership, and hope we can continue to prosper together for a long time. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Perfect. Then yeah, that was it from my side as well. Thank you so much for yeah, for this interview and in general for everything that we've been doing together. It's been from my side also an absolute pleasure to kind of yeah, do a similar thing like I did with my own business, but then together with you from Manoir. It's yeah, it's been a great ride, and likewise, let's just keep doing this for a really, really long time. Yeah,
Absolutely.
perfect. And yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, for you guys sitting at home, thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Thank you.